Just listen to that. The smell of sizzling bacon. Absolutely fantastic. Wow. If you love bacon, you're on the right video. In fact, if you love bacon, smash the like button and hit subscribe, because you're in for a treat today. I'm going to show you how to make some really tasty, elevated, scrambled bacon and egg. Alright, here are the ingredients you're going to need. Very, very, very straightforward. I'm going to use 3 eggs, a couple of shallots, some bacon, some MSG. Now this stuff actually makes everything taste amazing, and there's a difference between Chinese food tasting Chinese or not tasting Chinese. So it's basically just sodium and glutamate, and it gives everything umami. So it's definitely worth having. Now I'm going to use some sweet peppers, and I'm going to add some chili. So yeah, very straightforward ingredients, very simple, very cost effective. Just listen to those birds. Ain't that great? Right, let's get this breakfast underway, and let's get everything chopped and the pan fired up. The next step before we start cooking anything is quite straightforward really. Just finely chop all the ingredients, and we'll go from there. Okay, this bit is so easy. Just put your bacon in the pan and start the process. Get that bacon sizzling. There we go. That famous bacon sizzle. Don't you just love it? Right, I shall let this cook for a little bit, and then we'll get on to the next bit. Okay, that bacon is looking like it's about near done. So I'm going to turn it down a touch because I don't want it too hot. I'm cooking this on quite a high heat right now, so I've just turned it down to half the heat, and let's get the rest of the ingredients in there. Okay, so all them lovely ingredients we chopped earlier, get them in the pan. And give them a good mix around. Well, that chunk's a little bit too big there. Obviously that escaped the chopping. I'll just take that out. So, give it all a good stir around. Keep it moving around. Don't let it stick to the pan. So, if you've not already subscribed, smash that subscribe button, because it really does help the channel grow. And hit that thumbs up. Give it a like. I really do appreciate it. And again, it helps the channel grow. Gonna let that cook down for a little bit now, and then on to the next bit. As you can see, that is cooking nicely. Picking up all the flavour from the pan. Now, we're going to pop in the egg mix that we made. At this stage, it's very similar to an omelette. So we're just going to turn it up a touch. Omelette. An omelette. It's a bit of a mouthful, as this will be when I finished cooking it. So just keep moving it around, because we are making a kind of a scrambled egg. So just keep taking it off the sides of the pan, moving it around. We don't want it to burn. If it burns, you'll ruin it. So let's just keep this moving about nicely. And as you can see, it's starting to scramble up nicely. Looking really, really good. Turn the heat down a touch now. I'm a bit more gentle with it. Just keep that heat low. You don't want to burn it. So keep the heat nice and low. As you can see, that's coming together really, really well. I'm just going to cook away the moisture now, and then that will be ready. So another 2 minutes. So you see how quick that was to make? Literally filmed in real time, as quick as it takes to make the video. Just a few minutes of your time in the morning and you've got yourself a really, really tasty breakfast. Well, that moisture cook off a bit now. And we'll get this served up. So, on to the next bit. Let's plate it up. So there we have it. Bacon and egg scrambled muffins for breakfast. Hope you like the video. See you for the next one and have a fantastic day.